What one are the saying in community? Did you know parts of the world? No. What are you? What are you talking about? I don't know. It's not really. That's
Kasya
right.
sapatos sa'yo? Hindi malaki?
So, you can see here.
Hala? 30 to ah. Parang sakto.
Sure. There are warning.
Ganyan ba talaga yan?
Ay, talaga eh.
Ding dong. Ding dong.
Oo, ito.
Ding dong. Ding dong. Ding dong. Ding dong.
Ito.
Wow. Unusual.
Eh, huwag mo masyadong liplatin.
Wow. Hello. You did the one. Did you want to go? So you can go. Go. I want to go. It's not the angel. What?
Bunny, Brielle!
So this is a new. Goodbye, I see you in afternoon. Wow, what do we buy pet? We do not buy pet. Never. One. In 9 months ago. Bye-bye. Bye. Minggil.
Ay, sa ano? Okay. Hindi laging may ano. Ayun, may kababayan. Eh, ang bumili pa ako nung tapos bukas wala yan. Hindi laging may...
At sige, go! Did you know the non-stop just remade that? Hey, it's not that. Okay, I'm gonna do to show you.
Gusto na ubos ng ano?
Oh, dear, I dito pa.
Paris? Wala nang Paris.
Bye-bye! Bye!
Ha? Ano man yung shop?
2 hours later. Go to the airport.
Yan si Robert po.
That's other. Don't you speak. Make a boy with. Make the wild with. And the way looks me to you. And another off we go.
Tigas din kasi yun.
Well, how many boiled egg you want?
I want to.
Yeah.
What did you want?
Oh, syempre.
Can we have two? Okay. Here it's so good news. Wow. Now I'm going to eat. Thank you. Bye. Uh, did you want some snacks? No, thank you. Alright. I can eat.
Parang ibang, hindi yung pusa advantage.
Hindi kasi ano.
Siya.
Pero sabi siya eh.
Bye-bye. Wow, and you can. Now we say goodbye. Wow. Well, it's the day. Oh, yeah.
Kaya nga,
Wow, it's my house. What
kaya
is
nga sabihin
that
mo
a
sumagot kayo.
plate?
Yung sinasabi yung
Wow, what is a plate? One, two. This is my new.
Sabi niya,
And did the what?
bakit? Doon na po ako sa dulo. Sa pwesto ni Ma'am, dito sa dulo, sa kabilang mulo. Ngayon, Mami, dito ako, pupo ako.
It's a detail.
Masaya siya na lumipat.
Wow, a new. A new clothes.
Opo, gusto ko. Sabi ni Teacher Kyle, lumipat po po kasi.
Wow, a new. And look at the view.
Kasi paano po kasi tahimik. Kumakahan.
Yeah, but.
Ano siya? Matena.
Hello, Mommy Boo. Oh, I'm not Mommy Boo. Oh, you're the Mommy Boo.
Sa Friday pa lang, hindi mo magalang suban. Hindi kasi pwedeng iabot yung rating ng pagkain.
Do you know what's
Hindi
secret?
kaya lang, hindi. Paano naman kami? Sabi ko na.
What
Sige, doon na tayo.
they are doing wrong? I need to go in the beach. Okay. Wow. Hmm.
From the what?
Yes. I need to do that in okay.
Ano yun, consistent sila eh. Kung nakita mo bawa ng anak mo floppy na floppy yung ulo. Hindi lang, ano yun, egg yun. Tapos yun,
Yung ano? Binate?
tapos yun, consistent na talaga. Kung gagayahin ka ni Greta, consistent din yan sa ganyan niya.
Wee!
Hindi naman siya yung
He was even afraid to go
wala pa nga.
by you. Where the sun or the two just gone? Oh, I need to take a taxi out. Where is the taxi? Hello, I'm gonna get DC. Oh, can I get that? Yeah. But this is how there you go. You're in the way.
Happy daw siya kasi nagpangisi na.
Say bye.
May mga perfect sa kanila. Kasi sabi ni ano ngayon, usap si Kiara tsaka si Amara pa nagmamalaki ng mga grades.
What do you do with
Kiara,
you?
isa lang perfect ko. Pero,
Yung mga pinakatas. Ano?
isa lang eh, dalawa lang ako. Ni-rescue namin si mas mataas pa siya kaysa kay Alison. Diba?
Ano?
That's
Oo nga, hindi masakit kasi.
what a great job.
Hindi ko na mga mali ni isa perfect, eh, di isa lang mali, di ba?
Night, everyone.
Sa asset.
Eh,
Magaling siya magto. Bata ko talaga yun.
cookie.
Ito nga yung short ko, mami. Saan mo? May ituwa ko dito.
Oo nga. Sabi.
Short.
Tapos na. Pang-aakit na tayo.